Good evening, everyone. Today, I'll be reporting development of an IoT-based energy meter for real-time power monitoring in San Isidro, Tamaulipas, Southern Leyte. In this chapter, we will discuss the methodology used in the study. This includes the research design, respondents, research instrument, data gathering procedure, and data analysis. This chapter explains how the study was conducted. For our research design, we use a developmental research design. This type of design is used when creating or developing a system or device. In our case, we develop an IoT-based energy meter for real-time power monitoring. Research locale. This study was conducted in San Isidro, Tamaulipas, Southern Leyte. This location was chosen to test the device in a real-life environment. Respondents. The respondents of the study were selected household in the area. They were chosen to test and evaluate the performance of the energy meter. The number of respondents can be around 20 to 30 participants. Research instruments. The instruments used in the study include the IoT-based energy meter device, a questionnaire for gathering feedback, and a monitoring system or mobile application to track energy usage. Data gathering procedure. For the data gathering procedure, first, we designed and developed the energy meter. Next, we ask permission from the participants. Then, we installed the device and collected real-time data. After that, we distribute questionnaires and gathered respondents for analysis. System development. The system development process includes planning, designing, development, testing, and implementation. We use IoT technology to ensure real-time monitoring of electricity consumption. Data analysis. For data analysis, we use statistical tools such as percentage and mean. These were used to evaluate the performance of the system and justification of the users. Ethical considerations. In this study, we ensured that all participants give their consents, their information was kept confidential, and all data collected were used only for research purposes. Summary. To summarize, Chapter 3 explain the methods of procedures used in conducting the study. It ensures that the research is reliable and accurate. That is all for Chapter 3. Thank you for listening.